Good morning, beta. Today we are going to start with the next exercise 11.4. In this exercise, we will discuss about the volume of the different solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. We are going to discuss that. And I have already told you that whenever you are going to find the surface area, and the formula can be derived by perimeter of base into height. But whenever we are talking about the volume, that will be formed by area of base into height. Got it? Like you can see different figure. Like first I'm talking about cuboid. If you take cuboid, as you can see that cuboid is having a rectangular face and the area of rectangle is LB and the height is H. So its volume can be derived by area of base, that is LB into H. So volume will become LBH. Okay. Next is if we consider cube. Cube is having square base and its area is A square, that is side square, and its height is A. So its volume can be derived by A square A into A, that is AK. So it is an easy way to learn the formula. Got it? So you will write these formula: volume of different solid shapes. Then you will write this formula. Volume can be derived by using this formula. Then you will write one number, two number, then third number, that is cylinder. Cylinder is having circular base, so its volume can be area of circle into height, that is pi r square h. So this is your third formula. So please write down this formula and you will write this detail in your fair notebook. So firstly, you will write volume of different solid shapes heading. Then you will write volume is equal to area of base into height. Then you will write this first example, cuboid, cube, then cylinder. And their volume we have derived by the formula area of base into height. Done? Okay. Let's start with the exercise. In the first question, you have given different three situations and you have to decide in which situation you will find the volume and in which situation you are going to find the surface area. So the first question is given a cylindrical tank in which situation you will find the surface area and in which you will find the volume. So first one is to find how much it can hold. To find how much it can hold. So means you have to find the capacity. How much it can hold to find capacity. Capacity means how much water, how much liquid can be poured in that container. So means to find the capacity, we will use volume formula. हमने कैपेसिटी फाइंड करनी है ना, तो वी विल फाइंड वॉल्यूम. इज इट ओके? सेकेंड वन इज number of cement bags required to plaster it. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. अब जो number of cement bags लगाने हैं वो कहाँ लगाने हैं? उसके ऊपर सीमेंट बैग्स जो आप यूज करते हो, सीमेंट वो कहाँ यूज करते हो? आउटर सरफेस पे यूज करते हो या उस चीज के अंदर यूज होता है? यस, हु विल टेल मी दिस? आप जो सीमेंट बैग्स हैं, सीमेंट जो होता है वो वॉल के अपर पोर्शन पे पेस्ट करते हो, ठीक है? आप अंदर तो नहीं डाल रहे ना उसके, आप उसके बाहर वाले सरफेस पे पेस्ट करते हो. दैट मीन्स यू विल फाइंड सरफेस एरिया, ठीक है? सरफेस एरिया मीन्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया. When I was having last period, then the strength was this much in your class, 24, 25 student, nearly 30 student, and nearly 12, 13 students are absent regularly. But now today I am having first period, then also the attendance is same. Who has entered with this name, Bhupinder? Leave the class and immediately change your name. Write your name, class, roll number. Tomorrow onward, after 9:05, no entry will be given in the class. If you want to enter the class, then enter timely. Third part is to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with the water from it. You are having a bigger tank. उस bigger tank, maybe it can be in the form of cube, cuboid, cylinder. एक बिगर टैंक है, आपने उससे छोटे टैंक वाटर के फिल करने हैं. तो इसका जो वाटर है, यू विल ट्रांसपोज दैट वाटर, यू विल पुट दैट वाटर इन दी स्मॉल कंटेनर्स. तो ये वाटर इसके अंदर है ना कंप्लीटली, और अगर कोई चीज इसके अंदर है, इसके अंदर कंटेन है, तो दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वॉल्यूम. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वॉल्यूम. सो इन द थर्ड पार्ट यू विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर. वॉल्यूम. Is it okay? Any doubt?
Ma'am, second question.
Second question, हाँ जी.
Okay. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculations, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area.
Yes, you have given two cylinder, that is cylinder A, cylinder B. Its diameter is 7, height is 14, and its diameter is 14 and height is 7. So you have to decide which, without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? किसका वॉल्यूम ग्रेटर होगा ये बताना है आपने. चेक वेदर द सिलेंडर विद ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम हैज ग्रेटर सरफेस एरिया. वैसे तो बिना कैलकुलेशन के लिखा है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक बार फिर भी कैलकुलेशन के साथ हम करते हैं, उसके बाद आपको बताते हैं कि क्या होगा. तो आप पहले इसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करोगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर ए, that is pi r square h. I have just told you the formula to find the volume is area of base into height. Area of base means base is circle, that is pi r square, and height is h. The formula we have written as pi r square h. Now solve this. 22 by 7. What is the, if the diameter is 7, if the diameter D is 7, then the radius is 7 by 2. Don't change it to decimal, you will use it as it is. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 and height is 14. 7 2s are 2 cancel, 2 11. Answer is 77 into 7, 49, 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 53. So this is the volume, and the unit for the volume is centimeter.
बोर्ड ब्लर है.
Volume of cylinder B. Its diameter, capital D, is 14. So radius will be 7. And height is also 7. Got it? So this detail you will write. And its volume is, I am writing it as capital. Capital R, capital H. Pi R square H. 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Height is 7. 7 will cancel out. 154 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 35. 37. Here. Okay. Now, you can conclude one result from here. इसका radius क्या है? 7/2. इसका radius क्या है? 7. तो जिसका radius ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि आप देख रहे हो रेडियस का यहाँ डबल हो रहा है, ट्वाइस हो रहा है, ट्वाइस नहीं स्क्वायर हो रहा है यहाँ पर भी. तो जिसका रेडियस ज्यादा होगा, द फिगर हु इज हैविंग मोर रेडियस, ग्रेटेस्ट रेडियस, दैट हैव ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम. इज इट ओके? और हाइट एक्चुअली ये क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि ये सेम नंबर है, यहाँ देख रहे हो रिवर्स में है. देन ओनली दिस इज द पॉसिबिलिटी. और अगर ऐसा होता है यहाँ हाइट डिफरेंट होती है, यहाँ 200 आ जाए, यहाँ 300 आ जाए, तो वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट द आंसर. बट इफ द थिंग्स आर सेम, numbers are same and they are reversed, okay, they have interchanged the numbers, like here the height will become the diameter and here the diameter has shifted to the height. So इस case में the figure which is having, means you have to solve it without calculation. So what you will write? The figure whose radius is more has large volume. Okay, so this is the only case, only possible when diameter and height are reversed in two figures. So this is the only possibility. Okay, so this is only possible when the things are reversed. Now in this same question, you have to verify one thing more, that whether the figure that is having large volume has larger surface area or not. So let's find the surface area of first cylinder and second cylinder. Surface area of A, that is, क्या होता है surface area? That is perimeter of the base 2 pi r into height h. This is the way to learn. 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 7/2 and height is 14. Okay, 7 2s are 14. This cancel out. 44 into 7. 308. 308 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of cylinder A. Now let's find the surface area of B, that is 2 pi capital R capital H. Radius is 7, height is 7. So this will cancel out. 44 into 7, that is again 308. Have you noticed one thing? Actually, in this surface area, we don't have square of either R or H. So that's why we are having the same answer, because the things are reversed. But in case of the volume, we are having pi R square H. तो जिसका आप डबल करोगे, रेडियस का स्क्वायर करोगे, that will be larger. तो जिसका रेडियस बड़ा होगा, that figure must have larger volume, greater volume. But in case of the surface area, things are reversed, radius and height is same. So that's why we are having same surface area. So we have concluded here that आपसे पूछ रहा है the figure that is having larger volume has larger surface area. No, the figure which is figure with larger volume is not having greater surface area, is not having greater surface area. Is it okay? Please note down this. Done. Now start with the third question. Third question is, find the height of the cuboid whose base area is 180. Base area is 180 and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Base area given hai, volume given hai, you have to find the height. We have just discussed in the beginning of this lecture that volume of any solid is equal to base area into height. ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. Volume of any solid figure is base area into height. Volume is 900, base area is 180 into height. So if you take this on the left side, it will divide and that will give you, after cancellation, you will get 5. So you will be getting height as 5. Height of the cylinder is 5 we are getting here. Is it okay? Today you will do question number 3 and 5 in the fair notebook. From this exercise, you will do question number 3 and 5. Okay. Question number 5. Volume is 1.54 meter cube. Diameter diameter is 140 centimeter. Diameter is given. As this is in meter, this is in centimeter, so better to convert this meter into centimeter. So when you convert this, you will multiply it with 100, 100 and 100. Is it clear? You will multiply it 3 times with 100 because we are having meter cube and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So meter cube will be equal to 100 into 100 into 100. When you remove this, we cancel हो जाएगा 154 with 4 zeros centimeter cube. Now the diameter is given, that will help you to find the radius, that is small r is equal to 70 centimeter. Now volume is your 154 with 4 zeros and the formula for the volume is pi r square h. So apply the formula pi r square h is equal to 154 zeros. 22 by 7, radius is 70 into 70. Now take all the terms to the next side. Height I have not written. So height you will be, cancel it out, it will give you 10. It will give you 10 here. So when you solve this, height is equal to 154 with 4 zeros divided by 22 into 10 into 70. 2 zeros will cancel out. We are left with 15400 22 upon 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 00. Cancel it out, you will get h as 100 centimeter. So height is 100 centimeter.